students, we are on lesson number 12, perimeter and area. In the previous session we have completed question number 1 and question number 2 from practice set 47. In that we have studied about the formulas to find out total surface area of cuboid and total surface area of cube, right? So once again we will see the formulas, then we will start with practice set 47. So total surface area, or the surface area means the surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces, all its sides. The surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Now, surface area of a cuboid. What is the formula to find out surface area of cuboid? As you can see here, this is cuboid. Total surface area of this cuboid. So the formula is 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, length into breadth means L into B plus B into H, that is breadth into height plus length into height, L into H, or you can write down H or H into. This is the formula as you can see here. 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B plus B into H plus L into H, that is 2B plus BH plus LH. LB means length into breadth, BH means breadth into height, and LH means length into height. Okay, so this is the formula to find out total surface area of cuboid. Okay, now we will see the next formula, that is total surface area of cube. So what is the formula to find out total surface area of the cube? Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6 multiplied by side square. As you can see here, 6 into L square. L is what? Side. So what is the formula? 6 multiplied by side square. Okay, so this is the formula to find out total surface area of cube. And we have seen one more formula, that is total surface area of cuboid. Okay, these we have studied in the previous session also. And we have completed question number 1 and question number 2 from practice set 47. Now we'll start with the next sum, that is third sum from practice set 47. A matchbox is 4 cm long, 2.5 cm broad and 1.5 cm in height. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Now what is given here? A matchbox is 4 cm long, that is length. See, this is the length of the matchbox, 4 cm long. 2.5 cm broad means breadth is 2.5 cm and 1.5 cm in height. So this is the height. L, B and H is given. Length, breadth and height is given. Its outer surface are to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? So how we will find out the paper required? That is, we will find out total surface area of the matchbox. Okay. So first in the solution we will write down length of the matchbox, that is 4 cm, which is given in the question. Breadth of the matchbox, that is 2.5 cm. Broad means breadth, and height is given 1.5 cm. Okay. So in the solution first we will write down length of the matchbox. L is equal to 4 cm. Then breadth of the matchbox, that is B, is equal to 2.5 cm. And height of the matchbox H is equal to 1.5 cm. Okay, now therefore total surface area of the box is equal to, what is the formula to find out total surface area of cuboid? Because here length, breadth and height is given, and we know that matchbox is in which shape? Cuboid shape, right? So we will use the formula, that is total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, so this formula first we'll write down. Therefore surface area of the box is equal to 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L into B, that is length into breadth, plus B into H means breadth into height, plus H into L means height into length. Okay, so after writing the formula we will put the values. We know length, breadth and height is given in the question, so we'll put that values. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. What is given in the question? In the question the length, breadth and height of matchbox is given, and we have to find out its outer sides are to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Okay, so we have to find out the length of the paper which is required, okay, to cover the outer sides of the matchbox. So for this we will find out total surface area of the matchbox, that is total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so the formula is 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, now we'll put the values. Okay, therefore surface area of the box is equal to, as you can see here, the formula is written again. Now we'll put the values. L into B, L is given 4 and B is 2.5, so 4 multiplied by 2.5, outside the bracket 2, without fail you will write down 2. Okay, now plus B into H, B is 2.5 and H is 1.5, plus H into L, H is 1.5 and L is 4. Okay, so 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket 4 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 4. Okay, now we'll do the multiplication. First, inside the bracket what is given, that we will solve. 4 multiplied by 2.5, the answer is, see here, 2.5. We'll put the decimal point afterwards, after multiplication. 4 multiplied by 2.5, 2.5, first we'll write down the first we'll solve this, then we will put the decimal point. 4 5s are 20, 0 here, 2 carrying. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. Okay, and as we know here this is given 2.5, so from right hand side after one digit, so from right hand side after one digit, so what is the answer? 10.0. so no need to write down that 0.0 after decimal point. If there is 0, no need to write, so we'll write down only 10. As you can see here, this is 10. Now see the second multiplication. 2.5 multiplied by 1.5, so 2.5, decimal points will put later, 1.5. Okay, so 25 multiplied by 15, we'll put the decimal point afterwards once we will get the answer. 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 carrying. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Next step, 5 1s are 5 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, now we'll add this 2. Here it is 5, then 5 6 7 and 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, now we'll put the decimal point. See here it is given 2.5, here it is given 1.5, right? So after decimal point here it is 1 digit, after decimal point here it is 1 digit, so 1 plus 1, 2 digits. From right hand side 1 2, so here put the decimal point, that is 3.75. okay, as you can see here this is 3.75. now the next one, that is 1.5 multiplied by 4. see here 1.5 multiplied by 4, 15 4s are, that we know, 60, right? 15 4s are 60. Put the decimal point 6.0, so after decimal point there is 0, so no need to write, only 6 you will write down, or you can write down 6.0, that is also correct. So here we are done all the multiplications. So what we got here, 10 plus 3.75 plus 6, right? Now we will add this 10 plus 3.75 plus 6. See here, 10 plus 3.75 plus 6. Okay, here we will put 0. Okay, 75 as it is. Add this 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the answer? 19.75. see here, 19.75. and 19.75 multiplied by 2 now we will do. So what is the answer? 19.75 multiplied by 2. See this, 5 2s are 10, 0 here, 1 carrying. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 5 here, 1 carrying. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19, 9 here, 1 carrying. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, and here it is decimal point. Okay, so the answer is 39.50, or you can write down 39.5 centimeter square or square centimeter. So what is the final statement? Hence 39.5 centimeter square of the craft paper will be needed to cover the matchbox. Okay, I hope you are clear with this sum. What we did, we have written the in the solution, first we will write down length, breadth and height which is given. Okay, then we will use the formula to find out total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, we have to find out total surface area of matchbox, and we know that matchbox is in cuboid shape, so we will not use the formula 6 into side square, that is for total surface area of cube, but here we have to find out total surface area of cuboid. So you will use the formula 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, after that you will put the values. L is given 4 and B is given 2.5 and H is given 1.5. So put the values here. We will put the values, then after putting the values we will do the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 2.5 is 10. 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 is 3.75 and 1.5 multiplied by 4 is 6. After writing all this, we will add this. 10 plus 3.75 plus 6, the answer is 19.75, and outside the brackets there is 2, right? So 2 multiplied by 19.75, answer is 39.50 centimeter square. Okay, so hence 39.5 centimeter square of the craft paper will be needed to cover the matchbox. Okay, final statement you will write down without fail. I hope you are clear with this sum. So we have completed third question from practice set 47. Now only one sum is remaining, that is question number 4, that we will start in the next session. Okay, I hope we are clear with the third sum. So today we'll stop till here. In the next session we will start with the last sum from practice set 47, that is question number 4. Okay, thank you so much.